Racing Jazz is started. We have Grace Park Boy. Break quickly to start. Boom, boom, boom. Street bump. Tigerwood comes next. Then next online. Down on the inside. Storm Gas. Big Bang Bong Ale while he's the man is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Grace Park Boy by about 3/4 of a length lead. Boom, boom, boom in second. A length and a half further back in third comes Street Bump. Then next on Light Storm Gas, Big Bang Bong, Tiger Wood, he's the man, while Ale Ale now racing in less than as they swing down the back. We have Grace Park Boy by our length and a half. Boom, boom, boom in second, moving up for the outside is Street Bump. Racing in fourth now with Storm Gas, he's the man, Tiger Wood, Big Bang Bong, while Ale Ale is still racing in less the last 400 meters of the race. We have Grace Park Boy moving upon the outside. Street Bump. Boom, boom, boom is racing in third. He's the man, Tiger Wood, moving upon the outside as they swing for home. We have Street Bump running by the release. Grace Park Boy. Boom, boom, boom in third. Last 100 meters. We have Street Bump by length. Down on the inside is Grace Park Boy. He's the man, Tiger Wood. Last 50 meters. We have Street Bump and finally Street Bump. Grace Park Boy, Tiger Wood, he's the man, Ale, boom, 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 Big Bang Bong, and Storm Gas.
Sharon, number 4, Street Bump.